First and foremost, let me express my heartfelt condolences to every family of devotees who have lost their loved ones in Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra at Puri. The incident is tragic. It has brought unbearable pain to the devotees not only of Lord Jagannath but every single Indian in the country across the states. Now that a couple of hours and days have passed, various facts have been brought out in the media, and I think they should certainly be asked from the BJP government of Odisha. First and foremost, it seems that there was blockage of the entry on account of a VIP entry. Simple question as a citizen I ask is, when will this VIP syndrome in public events cease? It is important to have dignitaries, but can dignitaries be the reason for stampades is a question that BJP as also the Odisha government and central government must think over. Number two, the entire spectrum of a tragedy was building a night before, when the tarpaulin on which all the devotees were sitting, on account of rains and slush, it had become slippery and people were falling. Why did the BJP government of Odisha not take note of the same? Number three, there was only one route for entry and exit, and the exit route for entry to the temple had been blocked on account of VIPs. Is that a correct thing? There was no way left for ordinary people and devotees. In the abode of Lord Jagannath, nobody is a VIP, everybody is a commoner. Can BJP tell us why are they making VIP entries even into the abode of the Lord, and that also Lord Jagannath, the Creator? Fourthly, the ambulance was placed almost a kilometer away. The devotees who suffered injuries, serious ones, grievous ones, could not immediately be rushed. They had to be physically lifted by people and taken. Fifthly, there was no police available on the ground. There was no administration available on the ground. Sixthly, 2 trucks were permitted to come before the chariot of Lord Jagannath. Why? The truck hit many devotees, they fell, and finally it led to the stampede. So there was all hell broke loose. BJP must ask about Bangalore stampede and ask us about a fixation of accountability, which we have done. We welcome it. For every life is important, whether in Odisha or in Thane in Maharashtra, where similarly people have died, or in Bangalore. But it cannot be your tragedy versus my tragedy syndrome. Why are Karnataka BJP leaders and central BJP leadership silent on the Puri Rath Yatra stampede? And that's why I have suggested today that we must learn lessons from the 3 tragedies and set in place steps in order to ensure no such tragedy ever takes place. Can you please stop this? Number 1. The first step is setting up of a state crowd management task force. Every state must have a SCTSF. I think that's what it is called.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it is called. And